Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be attempting to remove pink hair color, specifically Iroiro pink. If you would like to see the result of this experiment, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just showing you a video I did on pink fashion hair color, and on this particular video I got a comment from somebody who came across my channel. Okay, so this viewer, her name is Absinthe. She says, after I commented on the green video, I came here and I saw this. Please do a trying to remove the pink and see what you can do. The Iroiro pink is notorious for not coming out with even bleach. I thought it was just me, but my mom had a salon try to remove it and it killed her hair. And the other that's a YouTuber named Salon tried it, and she even could not successfully remove it beyond bubblegum pink. Okay, so my response was, hi and thanks for watching and commenting. I'm sorry that happened to your mother. Yes, I even researched this topic online and discovered Iroiro pink is very difficult to remove. I'm also familiar with the YouTuber aka Salon. She is an absolute beast with these fashion hair colors, and she even couldn't remove it from the video I saw. I read your comment. I'm willing to accept the challenge. I think it's a great idea, and I will make a video about me trying to remove Iroiro pink hair color from the hair. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the results of trying to seek out specifically how to remove Iroiro hair color from the hair. So everybody, first step was to use bleach. I guess that's the natural go-to. So my objective in this video was to try something different. Okay, for starters, what I did was I decided to ask the manufacturer. Okay, so here is what support had to say from Iroiro. Hi, thank you for contacting us. Please try using professional color removers using warm water when shampooing, clarifying, or dandruff shampoo, or a bleach bath. Bleach with lower volume developer and toning with a color opposite of the color wheel only on the pink areas. It is best to have it done by a professional, of course. We have even heard shampooing with equal parts of Dawn dish soap and baking soda working, but haven't tried it. Please let us know if you need further assistance. Sincerely, Patty from Iroiro. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just try a couple of different things and see if I can't figure this puzzle out myself. Okay, so my first step is to try to cancel out the pink. Okay, so I looked online and I found that lime green is the opposite or opposing or complementary color to pink. And that made me think of Manic Electric Lizard, because it is described as a lime pink. And as you saw in the previous slide or picture, you need a lime green to cancel out the pink. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the markings as far as like the names on the mannequin head, what color I had on there previously. So just like a marker here. Okay, so here is the Manic and Electric Lizard, which is a lime green. And right here I'm just showing you a video of me combing the color through and trying to cancel out the pink, all pink. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the color is looking like while it's processing, and this is what the color looks like after. It's not much of a difference. It still looks kind of reddish. So I decided to try something else. Okay, so my next step that I used was to use the Colorfix. Got this from Sally's here. And it was pretty good in removing red color from the hair because it looked kind of red once I toned it, attempted to neutralize it with the lime green. I'm just showing you the formulations that they have inside 1, 2, and 3. And if you would like to see the instructions for how to use it, it's on the inside of the box, and you just rip the box open and you read the instructions in whatever language you want to read it in. So right here I'm just showing you number 1 and 2, which is what I'm going to be using. Nobody really uses 3, so again I'm not using 3. So both of these are equal measure, so 1-to-1 ratio. So right here I'm squeezing out number 1 and trying to get it to a certain level, and then following that I'm going to go to number 2, which you're going to see in a second, and yeah, I'm going to fill it up to the same, just basically doubling it. Okay, so after that I'm going to shake it up. As you can see here, I'm shaking up the product, making it as emulsified as possible. And soon as I'm finished shaking it, I'm going to hurry up and try to apply it to the hair because you only have so much time. It's according to the direction, you have to use it quickly. So just applying it to the hair. As you can see, the markings on the back of the neck as far as like what product, what type of pink or manufacturer of the pink that I'm using. Iroiro is right here in the back. And you can see Manic Panic in the shade Hot Hot Pink. And the Iroiro 70 is in the back. And on, I want to say that's the right hand side, is Arctic Fox in Virgin Pink. So we're going to take a look after this and see what color we get. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the Colorfix, and I'm trying to comb it through to make sure it's evenly processed throughout the entire head. And I'm working as fast as I can, combing it through to make sure it's evenly being processed so it can remove this hair color from the hair, because we just tried to cancel it out with its complementary shade, which is lime green, towards pink hair color. And we're going to see the results of this in a second. To be honest with you, it looks like it's just removing the lime green that we just put down instead of any pink. I don't know if you can see that, but even the stuff that remains is like a light yellow green. Just an observation. The directions had an option to use heat, so I decided to use heat in a low setting. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the results of that particular product. As you can see, we got varying the results, and we're going to go over it in a second. Okay, so we're starting off with Manic Panic in the color Hot Hot Pink. As you can see, it totally removed majority of that pink, which is a pretty good thing. Okay, now we're going on to, let's see, on to Arctic Fox in Virgin Pink. As you can see here, it turned the hair green, which was totally unexpected. So that's something to be aware of. Now we're going on to the back, which is Iroiro in 70 Pink. And it's not much of a difference, so it really didn't do much of anything in this particular area. But we have a few other options to try before we give up. Okay, so up next I decided to do the baking soda method, and we have our baking soda here and our volume 10 and our purple shampoo, followed by, I didn't have Dawn, so I'm just going to use what I have, which is great value from Walmart. Okay, so first you put your baking soda in, you know, the amount you think is enough. Then you follow that with your 10 volume developer. You mix that up really good to a nice, smooth, even consistency. As you can see me doing here, trying to whisk it as best as I can while trying to hold my cell phone. Okay, so up next you're going to go in with, this is my dish liquid here. Just putting that in there. Pouring, pouring, pouring. And now I'm going with my purple shampoo, just a little bit. Same amount as the dish liquid. So we're just stirring that up and it's going to be kind of runny. So protect your floors if you can. I'm just applying it throughout the entire head to see how much color that can be removed. I sped all of this up to make this video not so long, but it's turned out to be long anyway. So please bear with me, okay? So I'm working as fast as I can, trying to get the color in. And we're going to see the results of this in a few. Okay, so to be honest with you, I can't remember right now how long I left this particular item to process. But I mean, you can look at it and see that it's lifting the hair color. So you'll take it out once it's lifted to your desired amount of removal. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to keep working this product in and we're going to have a look and see what the results are. Okay, so here's the conclusion of using the baking soda method. As you can see here, all the color is removed in the other shades. However, the Iroiro Pink 70 remains. And it's got her hair pretty fried. She's lost. I had a permanent wave in her hair. As you can see, it's literally like a wave and not a curl anymore. But let's continue. Okay, so the next method I'm going to try is we called in school, which was a soap cap. Okay, so you would use one part of each of these items, the bleach, the lightener, and your clarifying shampoo, and you would mix it all in a bowl. So right here I got my measurement of my powder lightener, BW2 to be exact. It doesn't matter as long as it's a powder lightener. My volume 20 cream and putting that in there the same amount, and we're going to mix that together before we add the shampoo to make sure, you know, everything that's supposed to be together is together. If that makes any sense, because we need that to be activated. Okay, so now we're adding in the shampoo and we're going to mix that up. Now on damp hair, I'm going to apply just the Iroiro because it's the only color that remains. Everything else is pretty much taken care of. You might have a few strands where the Iroiro and the other colors combined are kind of overlap each other on the sides of the head. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but because you know I have 3 different sections. So I'm just going to work that in as fast as I can, and we're going to see the results of this in a few. Okay, now we're going to look at the overall results of everything we've done so far. Okay, so we're going to start on this side. Okay, so we're going to start on the right hand side, which according to my notes is the Arctic Fox in Virgin Pink. We had a little damage, a clump of hair came out, and that was pretty hard, but let's see what we have on the other side. Okay, so on the left should be Hot Hot Pink by Manic, according to my notes, and yeah, everything we tried eventually removed all the color out pretty successfully. Now the two sides in the front can be recolored to your desired shade. However, in the back where the Iroiro 70 is, it did very little. I mean, it removed some, but like, I mean, I used the product straight up. So well, this is the results we've got. Okay, so just a quick recap. Okay, so my first step was to attempt to hit the manufacturer up and see what they have as far as like suggestions. They pretty much did give you the same things that I just showed you in this video. We would try to remove the hair color by canceling it with lime green, which is his Pink's complementary hair color. Okay, and we followed that with Colorfix from Sally's, and it had very strange results from that. Okay, so then we followed that with the baking soda method, which removed a lot of the Arctic Fox and the Manic. So that left the Iroiro in pink, and we did a soap cap or bleach bath, whatever you want to call it, and it did not remove the Iroiro pink. Okay, so in conclusion, we tried to remove it in many different ways, and some were successful as far as like removing the other two colors. However, the Iroiro was very difficult to remove, which you already knew, but we decided to give it a try. And this concludes our attempt to remove Iroiro 70 from the hair. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.